What's up? What's up? What's up, y'all? Yeah, I'm fading music out like a boss, really. All right, let's get that paused. Let's get this off of here. Hold up, my screen flickering a little bit. A little bit of flicker flacker. All right, what's up, everybody? Let me know if y'all got good audio. Oh, sweet, you do. Okay, good deal. This is a different mic than the last time. The other one wasn't working so great, so I got a different one here tonight. But I think another dude's gonna send me a microphone, which is pretty dope. I didn't ask for that, but he's gonna do it anyway. Thought that was super cool of him. So anyway, I see we already got some people in here. Let's see who we got. It's weird because I can't hear myself. I hear like a muffled version of myself, so I can't tell how loud I'm talking or I'm not talking. So I'm gonna try to like. Let me see. I can try to like. I guess I sound normal. I can't really tell though. Whatever, bro. All right, so let's see. XRP Moonrider, what's up? Logan TA, haven't seen you in here in forever. What's up, bro? If you're still in here. Uh, Chi-Town, what's up, my guy? Smart Developers, hey, never seen you in here. Where you from, bro? What's up? I'm Keith. Glad to have you. Jeremy here, but driving, bro. That's the story of my life. You're probably out running, making money. I'm cool with it. Do your thing. Let's see. Darth. Oh Lord, no, you didn't. No, you didn't, dude. All right, so everybody knows that's not me with the owl and the squirt gun there. Okay? Not I. Not I. My name on YouTube is TA with Keith Lay. That's me. There you go. Whoops. There we go. There you go. Here's me. Total Science. What's up, dude? Good to have you. Robert Morris, Mr. Pickle, in the house. Audio's a little low. All right. Well, hold up. Let me hear you. Let me hear you. See if you like it better. If I get a little louder here. Let's bump it up. How about that? How about that? Is that louder? Let me know, because that's up about 6 more decibels than I had it. What's up, Frank? What's up, Nick? What's up, Jeremy's dad, Michael Beard? What's up, my guy? Hey, I went and worked on that breaker box today again. The breaker for the washing machine also roasted. So check it out. I just jumped the wires from one breaker to the other. That 50 amp breaker that used to be there for the stove is now the heat. So all the wires are in under one breaker. So if you go back over there, you know what I did. Those of you who don't work in a trade have no idea what we're talking about, but now you know. Jeffrey Brown, what's up? All right, way better. All right, good deal. Patrick O'Brien, what's up, my guy? Never had you here. Glad to have you. As always, if anybody's got any coins that you want me to go over, please ask in the chat box. Everybody with the blue wrench over there will be happy to help you. And also send you a chart. Be looking for the links over there in the chat. Those guys will send you any link you need to any chart. Please ask. I also got the chart pulled up here. Let's go ahead and get it on the screen for you. Furians. That's how we say it in the South. Furians. How about we have a VET chart pulled up? How about we have a YouTube chart pulled up? Bam. Oh, hold on. Hit the wrong button. Hold up. There we go. Now I got them locked. All right. Let's see if that pulls them up now for us. There we go. Let's see if that's clear. There we go. All right. Chart looks good. All right. All right. All right. I got, check it out. My liquor guy, he's out. Liquor guy said he's having a hard time getting corn and sugar. So it's just regular old red bud tonight. Sorry. Nothing exotic. All right. Nothing exotic. All right. Let's go. Nothing like a classic. All right. So I got VET pulled up right now because I think it's a good buy, and we're going to have a little bit of a drawback here, but it's going to go. But I want to get to XRP, obviously, because that's the news of the century here, right? That's what everybody really wants to know about. So, as we see, the chart's going wild, right? Everybody looks at this chart and they say, "Oh my God, dude, we've made some insane, crazy money, and the chart's moon." Well, I offer a different perspective to that. I see it differently. The way I see this is a pretty technical move so far. Not totally technical, but pretty technical, and I can't be perfect. No one's perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that this thing is about as close to technical as you can get so far. And what we'll do is we'll start here on this daily chart, and then we'll kind of work our way back. Let me stop real quick and check some answers first real quick, and we'll write down what needs to be written down as far as what charts want to be looked at. So hang on a second. Y'all bear with me too, because I'm also running leverage trades. And I want to make sure my leverage trade is solid, so I'm trying to like balance in between two different things here. All right, hang on. Where are we at over here on the 5 minute? Yeah, I'm looking at 5 minute charts. I'm leverage trading at the same time. Multitasking, bro. Oh, okay, it's all right. It's all right. Just leave it alone for a couple minutes. It's okay. All right. So we got Total Science, Jeffrey Brown, Robert Morris, Patrick O'Brien says, "What's good?" I don't know, bro. You tell me what's good. Let's see. I can fix this camera real quick. I'm a bit of a perfectionist on this, bro. So I just need to tinker real quick. Hold up. Oh, I can't change it. Yeah, I can. There it goes. Kind of like that. And then I'll change this one. Kind of like that. Wow, that's better. Okay. Alright, so I know you said Atom. Mr. Pickle wanted Atom. We can look at Atom Coin. Player and OCE. Absolutely, we can look at those. ADA, absolutely. I mean, ADA, XLM, of course we'll look at XLM, bro. I'm sipping on some Smith & Shine, bro. If I had it, I just don't have it. Guy was out. He's like, I don't have the stuff to do it with right now. He said, but when I get some, I'll let you know. I'm like, man. So if you don't got materials, you can't make product, right? I guess I get it. Zeal is almost 9%. All right, we'll look at Zeal. First things first, XRP. So right now, everybody sees this red candle, and they get a little panicky, and it doesn't bother me at all. And the reason it doesn't bother me at all is because we know so long as we're over our certain targets, we're fine. Now, looking at the daily chart, all you see is a bunch of up green candles, and you look at that and you say, oh my God, we're just going up and we're not stopping, right? So I offer a different perspective. I don't think that's the case at all. I think we're going up into a very technical spot, and we're going to have to check back down and find these spots, but I'm going to give you these spots now. So as we said before, you can see the thumbnail. There was an optimal buy here on XRP, okay? This wasn't something that just kind of popped off and we didn't see it coming, all right? I want you to pay attention to what I'm going to show you here because this is no bullshit, all right? So let's get super technical. A standard pattern in candlestick reading is a head and shoulders, which would be bearish, and an inverse head and shoulders, which would be bullish, okay? A head and two shoulders, all right? It's pretty simple. And that formation shows up on the charts. We just have to kind of find it. We have to lock onto our places where we find them, check our resistance levels, check our support levels, and we'll see if it works or not, okay? So, first thing I want to do is just point out some stuff here. We had a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder right here on XRP, and it came up, didn't break, all right? Then we had another shoulder, another head, and another small shoulder right here, and then it broke. That's the first thing, all right? I see two inverse head and shoulders side by side, drawing out, tightening in Bollinger Bands, and when the bands got tight and we got up over our moving averages, shit took off. It's not hard to see that, okay? That's standard candlestick practice, all right? It's something everybody needs to be paying attention to. Candlestick patterns are not easy, but they're not difficult either, okay? They're kind of made for you to be able to memorize, lock onto, and figure out, okay? It's not that difficult when you really hone in on it. This super throws me off not being able to hear myself in the headphones. Anybody else ever had that problem? Yeah, we'll look at the monthly chart. Absolutely, Israel. I just start on daily usually because that's where everybody likes to kind of trade at, is on daily. So now that we've seen these two inverse head and shoulders, we'll clear those off. Now, we know the 8 EMA, 21 EMA rules are when we're over the 8 EMA with two candles, that's a buy sign. All right? So do we see somewhere where it went over the 8 EMA with two candles? And the truth is, absolutely we do see that. If we could actually, pull up a little thing here. We'll do an ellipse. If you see, I'll zoom in big for you here. All right, we had one candle, two candles over the 8 EMA. I don't care if it's red or not. You had a green candle and then a red candle over the 8 EMA. So right here is your buy spot. That's your buy. The very next candle was green, then red, then green. I don't care. It's all over the 8 EMA. The green line is the 8 EMA, the 8 exponential moving average. The purple line is the 21 exponential moving average, or EMA. These are the fastest moving, most accurate indicators that we have that aren't too twitchy. Okay? I could change them to different EMAs and I could get different readings, but the 8 and the 21 are pretty solid. Okay? This is a very, very commonly used grouping of strategy EMAs right here, okay? It's not that difficult. We just have to kind of focus in on what we're doing and pay attention, all right? So we had two candles over. After that, we had solid movement up. What was the date on this? Let me put a line right here. That's vertical. I need vertical, not horizontal. Vertical line right there. Bam. That was our buy line. Let's even put a little call out box right here, okay? November 7th, the closing, the opening was the very next candle. This is where you buy. You had a little bit of down and then it went up, okay? I don't care about that. The point is, you had two candles over the 8 EMA. You had your chance to buy on November 7th, 2020. Okay, not even a month ago, you had your chance to buy this. Did we have the same chance right here? Yes, and it failed. Do we have the same chance right here? Yes, and it failed. That's fine. I don't care. You'd have bought this one. You'd have sold this one. You'd have lost 0.5%. Boo hoo hoo. You lost 0.5%. Welcome to the real world where nothing's perfect. Okay. The point is, when you see these buy signs, you take them. They don't always work. No, they don't. Nothing's 100%. Stop trying to act like the world's perfect and we can get everything perfectly dialed in. It's not going to happen. Get as close as you can, okay? We can narrow this down to a 75% success rate. We'll never lose, okay? Let's be smart about this. It's two candles over, we buy. After that, all of this greenness happens. You were already in. You already knew to buy before any of this moon stuff happened, okay? At 24, right at 25 cents flat. That was your buy sign at a quarter. What's happened since then? If you bought exactly when you were supposed to, following the rules, at 25 cents to now, you're up 158% following one rule. 158%. What do I need to tell you? It's not that complicated, okay? And we can try to overcomplicate this by looking at stuff and digging really deep into the chart where we probably shouldn't. Or we can just play the simple rules, okay? Now, let's backtrack for a second. Okay, let's just backtrack for a second and try to prove me wrong, all right? The first thing I want to do is show Bitcoin. Gosh, you know who was hollering about closing the CME gaps right here? I was. And I missed this, okay? The buy was Let's see if we can get 2 candles over somewhere right here. Oh, hold on. Let me adjust this real quick. I meant to say, this is the new chart thingamajigger that I got buttoned up here. The new layout, Crypto After Dark. I thought that was pretty cool because we do this so late. If someone has that copyrighted, I'll be happy to change it, whatever. But got us some symbols up there, and I got our assassin stuff in the background too, so you can see it. But anyway, I worked on that the other day and built that up. Thought it was pretty neat. What did Moonrider just say? 158% in 20 days. You can't beat that. You made in less than a month. You made 158% following one rule. One rule. Now, if we look at Bitcoin, okay, I missed this buy. Okay, you had a buy right here, it failed. You had a buy right here, it failed. Same as XRP, huh? Then what happened? You had a buy here. And it was a beautiful buy. Right here. Buy spot. Bam. What do we have? 2 candles over the 8. You even broke the pivot and you broke the 50 moving average. 4 things happened here. You crossed the 8, you closed over 2 candles, you broke the pivot, and you broke the 50 moving average. All at the same time. None of that's bad. That's all good. Okay? I missed this. This was my fault. I'll gladly take an L on it, okay? From that spot, what has Bitcoin done? All it's done is 70% in a month and a half. 70%. 70%. Is that not good enough? Is that not good enough? All you did was follow one rule. Now, I missed this. I'll be the first one to tell you that was a dumb mistake on my part. I got caught up in the hype. And that's what happens to me sometimes. I'm not perfect. But I use this, knowing this and missing this, and instead of making the same mistake twice or 4 times or 8 times or 12 times or, I don't know, 83 times, I use this information to do better, okay? We applied this to every single other chart that hadn't done anything yet. We had, what, solid, how long was it, y'all? 3 weeks? 2 weeks? Where no other coin did anything. It just sat there moving flat. And I was sitting there thinking, man, if all these coins are going to sit here and go flat and Bitcoin stops, will they go? Well, we were theorizing, right? Anybody can sit here and theorize. But what we saw is a couple of them hopped up over those lines that we were looking for. And all of a sudden, we started to see, hey, some of these are buys now. Oh, wait, this is a buy. Oh, wait, this is a buy. And instantly, pop, 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 stuff started coming up. Okay? And I looked like a genius because I made some calls. I didn't make any fancy calls, y'all. All I did was follow the chart and follow the rules. Okay? And we can get fancier, and we can use fibs, and we can use moving averages, and we can use our different indicators here at the bottom. Whatever. I don't care. The point is, we had buy signs. Okay? These buy signs work all the way down to the 5-minute charts. Don't tell me they don't, because I'm running a futures trade right now using the same stuff. Okay? The same thing. We don't have to overcomplicate this. We don't have to reinvent the wheel. Let's be smart here, okay? Now that we've seen Bitcoin and we know about it, and look, by the way, is Bitcoin a sale yet? No. It still hasn't even broken the 8 EMA. It's still going up. I don't know what to tell you. It's not time to sell Bitcoin. I don't know what to tell you. In my opinion, it hits all-time high before anything bad happens. I just feel like that's market sentiment. If you look at the order sheet, there's a lot of sales right near all-time high too, which I think Moonrider brought up over in the Telegram chat. You know, just looking at the buy sheet and the sell sheet, you can see that stuff is sitting right there waiting to get sold. Millions of dollars worth. And it's like, okay, somebody's dumping a whole lot right there, and I don't have that much, so somebody else is smarter than me is getting ready to unload. All right, let's go back to stuff. He said, oh man, I ain't seen Red Bud in years. Or you're talking about beer. Stupid. All right, let's see. Looking forward to understanding the month. Yes, sir. Perfectly timed the XRP giveaway at the target buy, bro. Daniela got a steal of a lifetime, didn't she? She got 1,000 XRP for following the rules. She followed the rules, and now she's up. Whatever that was. $400? I don't know. She's up. She didn't do anything except push a button. It's pretty smart, huh? If you're new to TA, please like and subscribe. By the way, we got 17 people in here watching, 11 likes. If y'all could all go like, that'd be awesome. The more likes we get, the faster we get to our 1,000. The faster we get monetized, and the faster I can give stuff away. I don't take any money. Y'all know that. I don't do tips. If you do tips, I'm just going to give them away. So be smart. I don't want your money. Take your money and put it in the charts. You could be killing right now with that extra money, okay? And don't say, "Oh, I don't need that extra money." You say that now, but you'll regret that one day. Let's see. CME gap will end up being the bottom of next year bear run. Quite possible. I don't know. OE312, bro, you said it perfectly. 2 candles above the 8 EMA and 21 EMA. It's that simple. You buy right there, and you ride it up until it breaks. When's a good time to sell Bitcoin? Okay, it's a great question, right? Well, you could sell when it drops below the 8 and closes, which it hasn't done in 42 days. Or you could wait till it goes below the 21 for confirmation, all right? I know that's a different size gap right there, and that spooks you out because that's a drop of 10%. I understand that, but it can also come down here, hit this 21, and keep going. We've seen that before, okay? Like here, hits the 21 and keeps going. Comes down here toward the 21 and keeps going. Seen it before, okay? Part of the playbook. Not going to panic if I see that happen. Is XRP capable of that? Absolutely. Look how far away it is from the 8 EMA. We know the rules say when this happens, it's possible it comes down and hits this. That's 51 cent, 52 cent. Is that going to make y'all cry? Won't make me cry. Whatever. I'm good to go. I think my stuff comes unlocked tonight, so we're going to be good to go. We have some support right here at 62 cent. We've already broken a bunch of this shit right here. And because we broke this shit right here, we broke these points, now they become support, okay? Pretty cool, huh? We could actually move this line up to here. We have support at 60, at least 60 something cent, 59 cent, close enough. Support. Is that possible? Did it hit support? Yes, it is. Fully possible it hits support. Now I'm going to switch to the weekly because it spells out everything a little bit easier, okay? Again, there's our big head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder, and she's off to the races. It's not rocket science, okay? You could see this forming for months. Months this chart spent trying to get the same spot where it'd be ready to go, okay? And it finally took off. Hold up. Let's see. So does the opposite occur if you close 2 under the 8 as a sale? All right, Patrick, that center section right here in between the 8 and the 21, I call that the wait a minute zone, okay? When you hit that spot in between the 2 lines, I kind of try to wait and stop because you don't have any guarantee that it's not going to go up some more, and you don't have a guarantee if it's going to drop, okay? You're stuck in between. You're in limbo, so you're just waiting a minute. You just wait a minute. All right, just stop and chill. And it's right here. You see how many times it danced around in here? None of this was a sale. It never dropped below the 21, okay? And if it did, it was just a wick. If anything, that shows me we have support right there. Okay, this could happen up here again. Okay? It could happen up here. I don't know it will or I don't know it won't. I can't be a mind reader. Y'all know as bad as as good as we may be on these charts, I suck at time frames. I really do. Trying to guess time frames, I lose every single time. All right, so I don't want to keep losing on time frames and looking stupid. So I gotta kind of quit learning. I gotta learn to quit predicting time frames. I suck at that. You asking me which way the chart's gonna go, I can help you out. But time frames, bro, I gotta figure something out about learning better time frames. So let's see. Yo, this dude is dropping real knowledge. I've never found a person who breaks it down so simply. Thank you, Patrick. That's exactly why I do this, because if you're asking me, these charts aren't that complicated, but what happens is people use fancy words and fancy terminology and fancy letters to make it seem more complicated than it actually is, okay? And it kind of pushes you away from wanting to do it, much like banking. Banking uses fancy terms and fancy things they say to kind of like spook you away from wanting to be involved in stuff. And, I'm smart enough to look at that and go, hold up, I don't like that. I think I can do better than that, okay? If we had simpler terminology, more people would want to do this, I think. So, again, I'm going to keep using simple terminology so that everybody can see it and learn and understand it. All right, so as far as the stop losses go, what I like to do with my stop losses is I put my stop loss under the 21 EMA. Now, if it's way up like the chart is right now, the chart is so far up, okay, I'm not going to set my stop loss way down there. I'm going to actually bump my stop loss up, and I'm going to put it up underneath the 8 EMA here for the time being. So that thing, if the wicks were hard, it'll cut me and I can get back in. But I can't control the chart, so if it's going to go crazy on me like this and start dumping out of nowhere, I want to be prepared for it, okay? I'm way in the profits up here. Way in the profits. And since I'm way in the profits, I don't want to panic and back out. I think that's stupid. So I'm going to stay where I'm at and hold pat. But under the 21 EMA, it would be 10 to where I would be putting my stop loss. Or at least set an alert. I'll just set an alert on the chart to tell me, hey, stop. Robert says, how well does the 821 strategy work on lower time frames? Like sub 1 hour. Is the price too wild down there to stay above the 8 for long? Well, I've been doing it on the 8 EMA for a couple hours now. A couple hours a day. It works pretty good. It's not perfect. I would say the 21 is a little bit more accurate, but I think the 5 is pretty good down there. I'm a patient man. I'm ready to sell. I'm a patient man. I'm ready to sell with the calculated timer. Yeah, I don't think it's time to sell yet. We're going to hold off on selling, I think. Learn a lot. Made some beer money. Well played, bro. What's up, Stan? When Moonrider says, moon soon, bro. Moon soon. Would you say these values are projected to spike in value higher than 2018, or is that not quite possible? I believe we're going to have higher time frame adjustment when we get up there, but I don't think it's going to happen as quick as people want it to. I know this has moved fast, but understand this is going to have to pull back. It's going to pull back at some point, and it's going to hurt people's feelings. I'm not too worried about it. I'm in the profits, whatever. I'll be selling when the sell mark comes in. But I do think anywhere between... I have to pull my chart up. Hold on, I'll pull it up. Let's see. I think I got it. Yeah, I got it right here. Alright, so what I would say as far as where I think it's going to go eventually would be $16 to $32. And here's why I say that. I pull the fib here from the top to the bottom, just like this did down here from the top to the bottom, and it came up, okay? From the top to the bottom and it came up. Whatever. I'm just following the same price action. But anyway, you see up here $16, $32, 1414, 1618. Okay, these would be my top end targets. And that's no guarantee on that, okay? No guarantee. I don't know when that's going to happen. I don't know if that will happen. What I do know is we're pointing toward $1 right now. So I'll say $1, but that's as far as I'm going to go with that because I don't know. If anybody, listen to me, real talk here. If anybody looks at you and says, well, I know what's going to happen, bro, they are raw dog lying to your face. Do you understand? They don't know what's going to happen. We can get as close as we can on predictions, but nobody knows exactly. Okay? Suck it up. Do these charts on your own. Quit whining. You can do it. It's hard. It takes time. It's frustrating. It makes your head hurt. You can do it. I don't want to hear any excuses. If my dumb ass can figure this out, you can figure it out. Real talk. All right. OE says what time frames? What time frames are you referencing? I'm confused. I see the 58 EMA as another cushioning on lower time frames. Absolutely. Think of that as a rubber band. The further it goes, eventually it has to release that energy in either direction. Correct. The consolidation can only last so long. Consolidation is small candles. Okay? It can only last so long. Eventually that's got to break. What Frank just said, if they say that, they're full of shit. And I hate to call it like that, but that's just the truth, okay? If you think you know what's going to happen, you're wrong. You're lying and you're making stuff up. People are missing on these charts. There's some people sitting on the sidelines right now. Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm going to show you some charts here right now that I think are solid buys. And since they're solid buys, you should be in them. Okay, let's start with some that were mentioned. We'll start with OceanX, okay? I think I might have to pull up a CoinTrader chart for that one. Well, let me see real quick. Yeah, maybe I have to do that. We got two. We got Ocean. We got OceanX. Let's look at the Ocean one first, okay? Go to the daily. The daily on regular Ocean coin is not a buy right now. That's a sell. You should be selling right now. OceanX. It's a buy. OceanX is a buy. And let's see how far it'll go. It was a buy. Let's mark this real quick because I don't want anybody bitching and whining at me. Watch this. We'll mark it right here. God, that's ugly. What an ugly color. Who picked that? Oh, it was me. Well, that's way too bright. That's like a big gumball. That's better. Put a call out box on there. What do you say? Buy spot. Okay. So that was the correct buy on OceanX. Got that? Buy right here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. We'll put. You know what? Let's write down what the date is and stuff. It's 11:32 p.m. 11:32 p.m. 11/24/2020. All right. How far can it go? Let's have a gander. Boy, it turned ugly real quick on OceanX, didn't it? Damn. But that's all right. Let's see if it can make its way back. All right. Doing all right on my futures trade. How much battery I got? I got plenty of battery. I'll let that thing heat. All right. So it looks like we've got a couple consolidation drops right here. Price action just slowly pulled it down. It was a steady pull down under the 8 EMA. Look at that. If you were shorting that, you made a ton of money. It works down just like it works up. Do y'all see that? Look. It works down just as good as it works on the way up. If you want to short with the 8 and the 21, you can. Right here. Actually, no, not even there. Right here. 2 candles under the 21. Right here. Not only that, but the green cut through the 21. That's a sell signal. Right here, it broke the 8, but it didn't break the 21. It stopped and kept going. This is what I was talking about. This can happen. This is why you don't panic if you see that, because this bitch just kept on going, okay? Now look at that. You got, if you shorted this, you made 67% if you shorted it. 67%. The 8 and the 21 work down just like they work up, okay? If you're wondering how far something's going to go down, I just told you. All right. Moving on. Player. Oh, hold up. I didn't say how far I thought this would go. probably up here to 16 cent or 20 cent. One of these two is going to hit this shit zone right here, okay? Ocean X is going to go to 16 or 20 eventually. Okay. Player. A lot of people like this one. This is a buy. I'm going to do this with every single one of them. So get used to it. If you don't want to watch, I get it. But we're going to do this right. I don't bullshit y'all. Excuse me, I'm sorry. That's loud in y'all's ears. I'm sorry. When you gotta blow, you gotta blow, bro. Buy spot. And that was on November 18th. Let's see, that would be 7 p.m. on 11/18/2020. Okay. So that was the correct buy spot on player. Got that? Correct buy spot. Moving on to the next one. How about Adam? Alright. Let's fix that frame. Daily. Oh yeah, okay. So Adam has the same setup. What do I need to do to break through to some people here to help you understand what I'm saying? Inverse head and shoulders. Inverse head and shoulders. Whoever said this is a good one was right. Okay? Be ready for this one too. Correct buy right here. Buy spot 11/10/2020 8 p.m. If you had bought in the correct spot, you would be up 20% right now. That's pretty good. I don't need to spell that out. I think you can figure out what I'm trying to tell you. Let's look at the weekly. Ooh, what do you see on the weekly, everybody? The same freaking thing. This is a little lopsided, but it's there, okay? Shoulder, head, shoulder. I don't like it being on a slant like this. In fact, this could be the shoulder and not this one. I don't like that being on a slant. That's a little bit oblonged, but I still like the price action here, regardless. And then we pull the fib on this. We'll have two right here, okay? We'll have this one, first one. So this is going to have to clear this 618 line. Once it clears this 618, you have one more line to make it through. Right here between 786 and 886, this little box. I forget who it was that asked me about Cosmos, but it's important that you did because this is a killer, bro. This chart hasn't moved yet, and it's going to go. We got to break this area right here. I'm pretty sure this is a good target to start with. You're about 30%, okay? Then after that, bro, we're looking at $12 and $15, okay? Fuck with me. That's pretty good. That's an excellent return. It's over 100%, okay? Just prepare. That's all I'm saying. You have the tools to read the chart. Just read it and do what the chart says and don't play stupid, okay? Nobody be dumb here. Everybody be smart, make the correct move, and don't panic. The chart is not that complicated to read. You can do it. Got it? Got it. Good. Good. All right, where we at? Zeal. Ooh, yeah. Hold on, somebody's talking. Hold up. All right. Adam had another buy at the Oscu cross right here. That's what he's saying. Even though that this one failed to keep going up, right here the green cut through the purple. That's a buy confirmation right there. When the green cuts upward through the purple, that's a confirmation to buy. Don't make the mistakes here, okay? Since we missed that correct by a few days, does that mean we should wait? Absolutely not, Patrick. So long as we're over the 8, we're in a buy. Okay? When we break down under the 8, that's when we're sell. If you really want to get tight with it, go down to the 4 hour to look for the perfect buy, okay? Can you guys imagine 100 XRP? I'm in mind of right, PayPal support, and add to it when I add eBay sell it, blah, 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 okay. So Paul, hallelujah, I don't fully buy all that. The chart told us to buy before PayPal news ever came out, okay? November 7th was the correct buy on XRP. So if you bought it after PayPal news, you were a week and a half too late. November 7th was the correct buy. Got to get back to work and catch up with this tomorrow. All right, Matt Harrell, we'll see you, bro. I'm in it deep. Want to add more? Right, I got you. I do too. So now, do you reconsider XRP and think it hits $100 in 2021? No, I'm still at $16 and $32 at some point, but I won't say 100 XRP. No, I won't say that at all. I need to see something first. What Frank just say? How about we get to $1 first? I'm looking forward to a year of decompression after this moon to reinvest. We're going to get some down, absolutely. So be prepared when it starts to come down, and everybody shouldn't get their feelings hurt, okay? Tundra Music Review. What's up, guy? Appreciate the Adam read. Just need a little more confirmation. What you looking for, Robert? What kind of confirmation, bro? Because it looks pretty good to me. 4 hour looks good. Indicators are a little high. Don't get me wrong. I don't like them high indicators, but it's still all right up there. So, I mean, even the 4 hour looks good. I can't tell you to get off of that. It appears to have caught support on the 4 hour too. It's worth a try if you ask me. Why do I say that? Well, I'll show you. Let's look at this one and pull up daily, and we'll do this side and we'll do daily, and I'm going to pull up Zeal. Okay. There's not a whole lot of difference in these Atom and Zeal charts. Okay. Not a whole lot of difference here. One is doing the exact same thing as the other, okay? See, this one's a little sloppy over here, alright? It's more of a shoulder, head, shoulders with an up. Okay? I like that pretty good. It appears we had a solid defined neckline right in here, and it's going up. I don't know what else to tell you except this is going to happen everywhere. We've already seen it in other places. Just prepare. I think Atom's fine. You're going to get some good price action out of it. I know everybody gets a little spooked because they see the charts are kind of high, and I fully understand that. But I can't get out of any of these right now, okay? I can't get out of any of these. Alright, what's up? Oh yeah, bro, I try to do these lives twice a week at least. I think it's important. Hold up. I'm getting a little raspy. Let me have some Bud Red. Oh yeah. Classic. Classic Bud Red. Alright. Alright, bro. Patrick, we'll see you tomorrow, or we'll see you on Thursday, no problem. Everybody's got to sleep. I'm just not sleeping hardly any right now. I'm too busy hawking this stuff, dude. Let's see. I mean, I wanted to hear you say it. It still looks good. Oh, I got you. Oh, don't doubt yourself, bro. Never listen. I say this a lot, but trust your charts, okay? What's happening across the space in some spots? Excuse me. What's happening across the space in some spots is guys who are pretty good at charts are doubting themselves, and they're getting in their own head, and I don't think that needs to happen. If you've already gotten your own head, it's hard to get out. So I would say the discipline on the charts has gotten extremely important. Discipline has gotten us this far. We can't start breaking our own rules and then expecting things to keep going the way they were, okay? If you're doing things wrong and you break the rules and can't understand why they're going wrong, well, you need to reevaluate what you think you're doing. If you're doing things right and things still aren't working out for you, then you still need to reevaluate what you're doing. But if you're hitting the charts right and you're doing good, don't change your plan. Stick with it. Clearly, you're working in the right direction. If we start taking big steps backwards, that's where I have a problem. And I don't want to see anybody take big steps backwards, okay? I don't want to see that at all. I want to see everyone moving forward here. And that goes for everything. That goes for charts. That goes for life, whatever, bro. Mental health, I don't care. I want you going forward. I don't want to see anybody going backwards, all right? A lot of really nasty shit gets said about me. I get a lot of really nasty DMs. I haven't done anything to anybody. I literally have done nothing to nobody. I've come up and I've tried to help as many people as I can. I constantly search on Twitter for anyone who will respond back to me. Hey man, I'm glad to help. I go to Telegram groups and I try to help. I try to get people to listen to me. Most people won't listen to me. Hold up, by the way. Most people won't listen to me, and that's fine. You don't have to listen to me. We don't have to agree. A lot of people are just in a pissing match, and they want to say, I was right. Well, that's fine. What did it get you? Do you feel better that you're right? Does it make you feel like a big man or whatever? Because I don't care. I'm wrong all the time. But if we're going to get into a dick measuring contest, that's not a cool way to be, in my opinion. So I think there's a place for all of us in this, and I want to see us all working together. Now, some charts that I think have really good promise here. All right, I really like Algorand a lot. I've charted this since September 19th. I want you to see this real quick. Okay, hold on. I'll show y'all something. I made this chart on September 19th. Okay? What did I say was going to happen? Failing to break the 50 fib, holding the downward trend, stuck between resistance. I expect a bounce up here, short target, 23 cent to 21.5 cent, right in here, okay? 23 to 21.5. I even said floor near here. All right? Interesting, right? I posted this on September 29th. I said 19th, September 29th. Now, let's go back to where we were. Back to Algo. And I want you to look what happened. It played out absolutely perfectly. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Followed the AEMA almost perfectly, not quite. All the way down to the floor. Right, exactly where I had it charted at. Even had this little small box to be super close. Bounced up, broke the 8. Where was the optimal buy right here? Right here. Optimal buy. You had 2 candles over. This one closed way up here, and I know the red come down and scared everybody, but it popped right back up. That was the optimal buy on Algo. I'm going to mark that as the optimal buy. When was that? That was November 22nd. Bam. Right now, after that optimal buy spot, you are up 19%. How far can this go? A long freaking way. It's only getting started. Okay, it's trying to break through this shit right here right now. And once it breaks through that, bro, it's clear to go some more. So have your eyes open, okay? Believe it or not, this same stuff that I'm showing you right here wasn't shown to them like this, but this same information was used by someone else today to explain why this was going up, okay? Don't understand where it came from. Don't know why. I don't care. I'm glad people are making money. But just so you know, I've been on this since September 29th. We already knew it was going to happen. We didn't need someone to take the credit or try to take the credit or whatever. I don't care. The point is we already knew it was going to happen. We made it happen. I bought this. I'm in this now. I'm up 20-something%. I follow my own rules in case y'all didn't know. Mithril. I think this coin has massive upside. Okay? Massive upside. What do we have? We have yet another inverse head and shoulders. And then up. I even drew a green arrow right there so everyone would know. Up. Move that over a little bit so it's not so right in the way. There we go. That was the neckline, the red line right here. It popped over the neckline and went up to this 200. I expect a little bit of a pullback right here, okay? I expect it to break down a little bit and maybe get stuck right here and then come up some more. Part of the game, price action happens. But I'm fully expecting this to keep going, okay? This is the old buy that I had on Mithril way up here. I actually sold this right in here, okay? Took a little bit of a loss. But then I rebought way down here. For whatever reason, my buy line doesn't show up on my computer, but it shows up on my phone. But I bought down here, okay? And we're steady going up here. I'm not getting out of this. This has mega upside. Mega upside. Let's see real quick. Anytime two candles close above the 8, it's a buy. Absolutely what Nick just said. Welcome all the new viewers. What's up? Rug, what's up, bro? I'm a little bit in my zone, but not too much. Bro, I got the red bud to take the edge off. Me and Rug been talking. He's a really cool dude. If anybody ever needs someone to get you level-headed after you've had a shitty day, just talk to Rug, man. He's a good dude. When all that shit went down the other day, I talked to him. I was like, bro, this has to stop. And he was like, I totally agree. So, that's one. Let's do it again. All right. Ooh, that was loud. All right, so yeah, myth heads, legit, bro. Myth heads. All right, next one I think's got a lot of potential. One Harmony. Why? It's the same exact setup again. Inverse head and shoulders. See this how this bounced off the 200 right here? I expect a similar price action from Mithril. I think that's going to happen, right? A bounce and then go. I'm not worried about it. I think it's part of the game here. This right here has become support, and now we're sitting on top of support. Let's see what happens. Okay, if this breaks below the 8, we're going to sell. We've got no signs of that yet. Only thing I've got right now is a buy sign and a bounce off the MAs. It's fine. I'm going to let it play out. No need to panic. That's why I tell everybody sometimes in the chat starts blowing up and people freaking out. I'm like, just breathe and relax, dude. Everything's fine. Don't panic. We're good. We're good. Next one I think has got a lot of potential. Safe Haven, SHA. This is available on the Ocean X Exchange and KuCoin, SHA. It's available on both of them, okay? Why do I say it has a lot of potential? Because it fell really hard and hasn't gotten back up there yet, okay? I have a better chart over here on CoinTrader. And maybe I don't. Some of these have a better chart on TradingView. Let's see. No, okay, this is a good one. If you notice here, these red lines, these are support lines, okay? It hit support and it started to come up. Just like VET, just like ZIL, and just like a bunch of others, okay? So worst case scenario is we're going to come up and get sniped out. And even if we come up here and get sniped out at 786, By the way, 786 Assassin shirts are available at redbubble.com, right down there in the description. That was a pretty good little segue right there. Anytime we sell any shirts, hoodies, laptop covers, tumblers, I don't care what it is, we bundle up those profits and we give them away. I take no money. Okay? So if you get that, oh, this guy's pushing merch, he's a shill. Yeah, I am, because I want to give money away. I don't want to keep it. I've got plenty. I'm blessed. I don't need anybody else's money. Okay? So, SHA, I feel like it's hitting support. If we pull a fib on it, we got some big gains ahead on this coin. All the way up here to 16-cent possibility, 12.5-cent possibility. But I think we get it to at least 0035 and at least 005, okay? Those are my close range calls. I'm pretty sure it's going to get up there. Now, we're getting killed on the weekly right here at the AEMA. We still haven't crossed. And as a matter of fact, it's about to go an 821 cross downward, but it hasn't done it. It's kind of flattening out. You see that? How these are kind of flattening and not crossing? I like that. That's a good sign. It means it's not dying off yet. That's just weekly. And we're going to go back to the daily here. On the daily, we're getting a 821 cross up. What's that mean, everybody? That means we're about to get a confirmed buy right here. Buy spot 11, 20, oh, 11, 24, 2020, 12 p.m. live stream. Bam. Alright, so look, I just told y'all all live that was a good buy. Don't say I didn't tell you. Okay? You're getting information for free right now. Do what you want. It's your money. Not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who reads charts and has too much data in his head to explain. Okay? Let's see. Myth the standard. Frank knows what's up. What's your cold-hearted perception percentage? It will go to $10 in 2021. 50-50. Kemet, 50-50. Let's see. Shit, my thing keeps going really fast. The messages, it goes phew, really fast. Let's see. Rug, good to see you, brother. I'm excited to hear PayPal is going to support crypto. I am too, don't get me wrong. It seems useful for point of sale. I agree. Oh, the Paul dude is a bot. I feel like an idiot. Sautry, no, we haven't looked at Tezos, but let's do that right now. I just saw your messages. I'm sorry. Hang out 1 second. Now let's have a gander. XTZ is one of my favorites. Not only does it got a good use case, it's got a decent chart. Okay? Looky there. You're getting a great buy right now. Two candles over the 8. Right here. November 22nd. See how it plays out. So what we got happening right here is you've had moving averages cross the get crossed by the 8. The 821's crossed bullish. Now you're getting a tits play of a moving average getting crossed by an exponential moving average, and what happens is it causes some price action to follow this crossing right here. See the crossing? Price action is following the crossing, coming down and touching and watching. This is going to come through, and this is going to keep going up. As this purple crosses the blue, you're going to get another one up here that does a down and then keeps going up, okay? As this AEMA crosses the 200, you're going to get a down and then up, okay? Way price action works. That's a tits maneuver. Tits maneuvers check the price action and they keep going. Whichever direction they already started, it doesn't matter, okay? It's important to know because we've been able to play that and use that as kind of confirmation on what we're doing, which is pretty cool. Let's see if I'm up or down right now. Up or down, up or down. What am I doing? I'm down like $4. Alright. Cracking an MA fucking Yingling. I like it. Yingling's good. Welcome SoTree. Is Argo on Binance? I don't know. Let me see. Argo. No. It's no bueno. Let's see. SHA, you have to use the market cap chart to be more accurate. Well, I can try that. Let's see. I typically don't, but I can try it. Fully disagree. That shit is totally inaccurate. That right there tells me that there's some inaccuracies going on. But even then, it's still a buy. Okay? Yeah, that shit is madness. They need to fix that data because clearly that didn't happen. That we can say that happened, but that didn't happen. Okay? Let's see. Let's see what we got here. OE312 said, which chart is that? I don't know. PayPal barely offers any coins. Exactly. What's up? What's up, Pilgrim? Glad to have you, bro. Ripple Rich. Correction is a healthy market, fam. We're gearing up for Thanksgiving. Bye, bye, bye. Not financial advice. Thanks, Keith. You're welcome. I would agree. This is all a good buy opportunity right now. I don't see any sales. I don't see hardly any sales at all. Let's see. Self-key. Yeah, I'll look at that. Oscar Cross 8100. Buy opportunity at the pullback. Absolutely. I'm new. First thing to do after this stream is watch Keith's TradingView instructional video. Absolutely. I have free videos. All you have to do is go to the playlist on my channel there, click on instructional videos, and start from the front if you want. If you don't even have a TradingView account, I explain how a TradingView account works. The buttons. Then I go through resistance lines, then I go through moving averages, and then you have your first trading strategy, the 8 and the 21. Okay? The 8 and the 21 is the very first trading strategy I use on there because it's the easiest and the simplest. And then we get more complicated as we go along, okay? Let's see. Self-key. I've heard of self-key before. Self-key is a buy. And you're getting a good buy, too. Let's see. 1, 2, no, 1, 2. Yep, right here, November 10th. Right there. Self-key was a good buy right there. It is still a good buy, but you're getting more price action based on moving averages crossing, okay? See this? The 8 crossed the 100, and when you did, you had a pullback, and then it went some more. The 21 is about to cross the 100 moving average. We're getting a pullback. That's going to stop. It's going to turn back up and keep going. And you're going to get the perfect moving average alignment. You're going to have green, purple, well, not perfect, I'm sorry. You're going to have green, purple, blue, and then you're going to get one more pullback when this yellow line crosses the blue line. But that'll be way up here when you get that pullback, okay? So, self-key is a good buy right now, and I would definitely ride self-key out. I like it. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Let's see. What we got? Lady Enigma, what's up? Glad to have you. Chi-Town sent me. Oh, good. What's up? Glad to see you. All right. Let's see. What's up, Lady Enigma? My lady. All these dudes are gonna hit on you. Sorry. We have a whole squad full of dudes that are all hound dogs, apparently. Lots of knowledge in here. Absolutely. We try to be smart as we can, man. You're welcome, Ripple Rich. Lady Enigma, you got any charts you want me to look at? Any different coins that you'd like to see a price point on or price action or anything? Doesn't matter to me. But yeah, I like self key, by the way. I just need to write that down, as a matter of fact. I'm going to write it down right now. Hey, by the way, Nick, you know that that meme you shared? I put that stuff on Facebook and like 4 people commented back already. What are you talking about? Or like, I know I should have done it. I was like, I told you. Oh, what Nick just posted in the live chat right here. He just posted a link to the instructional videos. Click on that. You got videos to teach you every strategy I know so far. Even some stuff I don't know. I haven't shared yet, but I'm thinking about putting it up. I've been working on it. I'm going to work on it a little bit more tomorrow. Hey, glad to have you, Robert. No big deal. I know it's late. Let's see. Oh, everybody knows that we're not hound dogs. Well, you still probably hound dogs. I'm not stupid. I know how it works. Let's see. Lady Enigma, if you've never been here, I don't do any guessing. I don't do any news. I don't do any BS. I just do 100% data all the time. Constantly data, data, data. I find a chart. I read the chart. I don't care what the chart is. Stocks, Forex, crypto. Oh, eBay. I needed to look at that. Real quick. eBay. Oh. Hey, Vic, if you're listening, you're right, bro. I like eBay. Confirm buy right here on eBay. Why do I keep covering that son of a bitch up every time I'm getting ready to buy? Great buy on eBay. It's under the pivot. I don't like that, but look at the man. The indicators are turned up, bro. He wasn't wrong about this one. He was right. So you're listening, Vic. You're right about eBay. Probably not listening, but that's cool. I don't care. He said 60 cent. I like 55 cent. It's got some work to do, but I like this look, man. I like this look a lot. It's got some work to do, but I like that look on eBay. I'm with 55 cent all day long. 57 cent way up there, but I like 55 cent on eBay. eBay looks good. MoneyGram. Let's look at MoneyGram. I have that over here. Right there. Hey, look, everybody. What do you see? I'm not going to say what this chart looks like, but y'all tell me what that looks like. What does that look like to y'all? Let's see. No telepathy or telekinesis. No sunspots, bro. The sunspots. Oh, my God. Sunspot. Jesus Christ, Nick. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. ADA. Yeah, you're right. We got to do ADA. Oh, you've been in eBay since $38? Let's go. My man. VET. All right, we'll do VET. What does MoneyGram look like? Somebody tell me something. Frank, what does MoneyGram look like? Whew. My goodness. Let's see. You just like to observe and watch. Okay, no sweat. Let's see. Group people are asking questions. Tits maneuver with MGI. Perfect alignment. Yeah, look at the moving averages. 8, 21, 50, 100, 200. It literally gets no more perfect than that. You had a buy sign right here, 2 candles over, and that was all the way down here at $3. It's now $7. I don't need to tell you that's 150% up. This looks just like Bitcoin. It's the same move as Bitcoin. It's not complicated, y'all. All these charts do the same thing. All you have to do is read them and pay attention, okay? The news comes after the charts. We see it, we buy it, we go. We see a sale, we get out. I haven't seen a sale sign yet on MoneyGram. This ugly red candle don't mean shit to me because it's still over the 8. Alright, let's see. Looks like a buy. That's right. ADA. I'm in ADA. Let's see it. ADA, what you doing? Hey. Whoops. ADA is killing it. Killing it. So, I circled all this stuff right here on purpose. Neckline on the inverse head and shoulders. Alright? Check this out before I go any farther. Let's go back to my profile here. I'll show you this. This was on November 20th. I said very simply, neckline, inverse head and shoulders right here. See that? Couldn't be more beautiful inverse head and shoulders. Look at that thing. My God. I bought the green line. That's where I bought. Here we see an inverse head and shoulders with a defined neckline. I move up toward the ascending trend line. And the 141 fib seems in play. ADA is already clear of the 821. And all SMAs, simple moving averages, and the MACD supports a buy, as well as the RSI not being overbought. Bullish short term, if we could break 13.7, a long-term breakout on the weekly or monthly could be in store. Let's see how it plays out. 13.7, I said, right? We're going to learn today. I said if it breaks 13.7, a long-term strategy could play out. Look, we broke 13.7 and now we went all the way up to 18 cents. It's not hard. It's not hard. I simply followed the rules that I'm telling y'all. Let's be smart. We got MGI at $1. Very good. Somebody asked me for one. Hold up. Nah, XLM ain't played out, bro. So then we look XLM. Somebody asked for an odd one, didn't we? BYD. Never heard of her. But I don't mind that because sometimes y'all have... Is BYD a crypto or is BYD a stock? I don't know everything. I don't know. It appears BYD is not a crypto. If it's a crypto, I don't have a chart on it. Boyd Gaming now. Hey. Do your thing, Playboy. Look at that. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy. I think this is what you're asking. And right now, this is getting close to being a cut because it's so high. I would be a little leery, but it's got no. I'm wrong. Never mind. There's more left in BYD if this is what you're talking about. That's so far down I can't pull a fib to it. Right there. Then we're going to look up to here. 1414, 1618 are in the cards. It may take a while to get there. 1272 might be a profit line to take some profits. This is on its way up, man. I can't deny that. It may take a little bit and work the 8 EMA all the way up. But Boyd Gaming looks great. XLM. Dre's Bay. We actually saw this going up. Me and Ken talked about this on the phone. Actually saw this going up and it jumped 20-something% since he bought, which is amazing. We got a little bit of a red candle right here at the top. That could mean down, but we're so far away from the 8 EMA that you're going to have that sometimes. This 8 EMA is going to continue to move up every time a candle closes, okay? So don't panic, don't freak out. I think we're going to get some consolidation on the 8 and we're going to get some more up. I think the same thing for XRP, okay? We're going to get some consolidation, then we're going to get some more up. We might move sideways a little bit. I'm cool with that. Sideways ain't down. Sideways ain't down. We can actually pull up the cloud on the next stream and see how the cloud looks in comparison to what we see now. Let's see. BYD company, okay. Yeah, I don't have a chart for it, so I can't chart it. And if I don't have a chart, I don't buy it. Sorry, if I don't have a chart, it's a no-go for me. I don't buy unless I have data. I'm pretty strict about that. Let's see. This is the only way to read the way. I hear you. ADA is a huge community. I agree. ADA is lit. I have a good bit of ADA. Two different bags of ADA that I didn't even realize I had two separate ones, but I apparently did that at some point. Israel, I would just wait just a little bit on Stellar, and let's see if it plays sideways. Because if it does, there's no reason to buy something that's moving sideways. You know what I'm saying? All right. Let's see. The entry point of 04 on ADA, would it be worth selling at the top and buying at the bottom since odds are it doesn't return to 04? Or would it be best to sell some into a trading bag? Okay. I'm never against taking profits. Never, ever, ever against taking profits. Myself, if XRP hits $1, I'm taking some of my profits. And I'm going to buy the bottom again if it comes down some. That being said, do what you want to do. It's a tough call, but there's nothing wrong with ever having a bird in the hand, okay? Ever. I'll never tell somebody not to take profits. It's your money, do what you want. Let's see. Beyond Meat is BYD, if that's not where it... Oh, yeah, no, it's not Beyond Meat. We've looked at that one before. Vibe. Hey, let's look at Vibe. It's a Vibe. I believe Dustin was talking about this one earlier, and I think it was a sale still. And I know a bunch of guys are in EHRT. I'm going to pull up 8 hours, too. And look at... Oh, no. No. Vibe is good. Look at that. Same setup, y'all. Here's another good buy. Thank you, Dustin. By the way, a link to Dustin's Facebook, I'm an idiot. YouTube channel is in the description. He does a little bit different take on things. It's not your normal news. It's kind of insider information and stuff like that, which is really neat. So pay attention. He's not doing this same old that everybody else is doing, which is pretty cool. We need more of that. We need less of the same and more uniqueness. So this was a buy spot here on Vibe. That would be 11.6 a day early. Whew, that one's going to go good. Look at that. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Vibe is a good play. Another inverse head and shoulders. It's going to go. You see I even drew an arrow right there already. Oh, look at that. God, y'all, listen. Sometimes it's hard to get through to people because y'all don't believe what I say and stuff. And that's cool because sometimes I don't believe me. But look. Y'all. Neckline. Up here somewhere. Jesus. I'm gonna have to get some vibe, y'all. I like this one. In the South, we call this cooking with grease, okay? This is a pretty lady right here. Yep, 1414 is into this shit zone right here. All the way up to 19 cent. What kind of gain is that? That's like 300%, isn't it? Whoa, 1,000%. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, to 886 for 100%. Fuck. Okay, Vibe is getting bought right now. Is Vibe on Binance? Where am I buying it at? Yeah, I'm buying that on Binance. Hold up. We're buying that right now. Pause. Can I get a pause? Somebody hit the pause button. That's getting bought right now. What I'm going to sell. What I'm going to sell. Okay. I got you. Bro, I was up to 11,000 profit. Now I'm at 10,000, 10,695. Gosh, I was at $11,000. That was nice. Yeah, Vibe's getting bought. I'm buying that right now. Let's see. Looks like a big buy on a weekly. You damn right it does. Yeah, the place where I bought a lot of XRP was 32 cents at first, then 28, then 25, then 20, 17, and the best buy I made on XRP was at 11 cents. I sold all that at 32, and it came back down, and I actually bought some more, and it sold it at 34, and I actually got caught in a transfer, so I got some right now, and I'm up pretty good on it. But I just got stuck in transfer. Because I'm an idiot. Alright, let's see that. Bro! Exactly what Moonrider just said. Everything looks so good, I can't sell right now. I don't want to sell any of this stuff. I'm like, man, I can't sell that, bro. I can't sell it. I want to do some stuff, but I can't sell. What am I going to sell? What do you sell, Keith? Do I take $100? I feel like $100 has just got to be put on it. I just feel like it's worth $100. What am I going to sell? I'll do it. I want to think on it for a second and figure out what I'm going to move, and that's getting moved to the watch list. Up here somewhere. 'Cause I need to watch you close. Right there. Whew. Vibe looks great. Goodness, goodness, goodness. I like that look. Man. That made me happy seeing. Let's see. Some folks caught the 11 cent. Yep, I got it. It's on OG Binance. Got you. Hey, man, I heard XRP at 92 cent. Yeah, 92 cent didn't happen, Daniel. You're the man because you've been talking shit about it all day. And I love someone who talks shit. That's great. Let's see. Patience is important too. What Rug just said. Yeah. He said, "Sorry, I'm late. I've been get my ass kicked at work. It's tempting to sell, but we all know more opportune timing is literally on the charts." Yeah. I don't think there's a really bad chart to be in right now. Well, there's some, but of the ones we typically look at, not a lot of them are bad. Some are bad, but not a lot of them. Like right now, you're seeing a lot of red, but these are just pullbacks because we went so far up. Okay. I'm not too upset about it or worried about it. I'm kind of trying to let things play out. It's okay. Bitcoin dropping below the 8, or is it just teasing it? Nope, it's still good. It's still good. 8 hours. I gotta go to CoinTrader for that. Is it a buy yet? Hey, it's flashing buy, but it's not a buy yet. Actually, yeah, this is a buy. Okay, this has been a buy right here. 11/21/2020, 7 p.m. All right, so you're up a little bit on 8 hours right now, and we got an inverse head and shoulders at the bottom, so I think this is going to come up. I think you're good to go on 8 hours. We just needed to get over the 21 EMA. When it gets over this purple line, you're going to move right on up to this area, 14 cent, and then 17 cent. Or 017, 014, 017. That one looks good. I like it. Let's see. About to work the corner to make more buys. Yeah, bro. $20 is $20, what Frank just said. Saif Amir, what are you thinking about this XRP pullback? I think it's fine. We're going to have to deal with price action. That's part of it. Trying to catch all these candles perfectly is impossible. You want to play that game, play it. But, bro, you're begging for it. I do not like to flirt with fire. It's just now going under the 8 on the 4 hour. This very well could just get caught up and go. Alright, watch and see. If it holds 59-ish right here, that'd be awesome. And if it just moves sideways and goes up, I got no problem with that at all. All the moving averages are lined up perfectly. MACD rolled over to the ugly side. This would be a sell signal. If this turns red and this keeps going down, we might get a sell signal on the 4 hour, but the daily is so far ahead, it's got to breathe. That's just part of it. The same thing happened right here, okay? These charts have to breathe some. I wouldn't panic. Alright, so let's see. Doge is moving. Oh my god, Dogecoin. Bro. When you're up so much in one day, you have to expect a retrace. Me and Nick were talking about this in the background. He asked me, because he's new to crypto, he's like, dude, does this happen a lot? Do you just see these massive gains like this out of nowhere? And I'm like, well, we've seen it before, but it also comes down just as fast. And he's like, well, I've never seen this. So like, I was like, I fully get what you're saying. I completely understand. Yeah, 59 cents, totally positive, Amir. Totally positive. Totally possible. Positive. Totally possible. Even 59 isn't that bad. It's so much better than 25, isn't it? We all just have to let them breathe and relax. Just relax. Don't panic. Charts don't care about our emotions. Zero. These charts have zero emotions. Let's see. You best believe if XRP hits your educated guess at that, I'm going to get out and wait for the drop majority back in. Absolutely, Israel. And it could take a year and a half, 2 years to do another run again after that. It could keep going. The thing is, I'm not positive, and I don't think anybody knows at that point, so I hate guessing. I don't want to guess. Let's see. Yeah, what Darth just said, RSI is looking better for XRP. We could get price action in the morning. If you saw Bitcoin on the RSI of Bitcoin, it just sat here and did a number like this, where it just went up here in the white zone. Okay? If you don't know what I'm saying, look. See this? All this is overbought. You should sell all of this. But look, the chart's still going up. This is why I never just use one indicator, okay? If the RSI was the only thing you used, this would have told you to sell way down here. But look, buy, 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 buy. You can't sell that over top of the 8 EMA like that. You got to stay in that. That green line is telling you to stay. Bro, don't get out of that. That's stupid. So, this could happen on XRP too. Will it? I don't know if it will or not. I'm not going to sit here and try to be a mind reader. But there's a possibility. So let's, again, play it by ear. Not do anything stupid. No panicking. No panicking. Let's see. I've got some more positions open from 48. Do I hold the position or take profit ripping in your opinion? No, I would hold. I would hold that. If you're in a good spot like 48 cents, especially if you're leveraging right now, you know, the fee might be a little high, but you're in a good spot. So I hate to try to trade out of a good spot to find another one. trading in a good spot's great. Trying to find another one's hard. So I wouldn't play with fire there. So we got a lot of red. Except Zeal. Zeal looks good. Algo's good. Myth's good. QKC's up there, but we don't look at Quark Chain. We don't do that. Not on this stream. I have to go somewhere else for that. I like Safe Haven. Let's see. What factors do you need to make them candles move? Well, 94% of it is software trades, so there's not a lot we can do. Unless you know somebody with $1 billion, there's nothing you can do except sit back and chill and wait on it, okay? Candles are going to do their thing. We see this happen. Excuse me, I'm sorry. We see this happen a lot of times where these moving averages cross and the price action follows it. You can best believe the software sees the same thing I'm doing. It's not rocket science. There's plenty of people who are smarter than me, who've already thought all this stuff up and have already come up with the trading systems to make it work the way you want. So just be smart here. One step at a time, one day at a time. Let's don't go long dicking it into 6 months down the road. All right? That's begging for problems. And we don't want problems. What do I think about index stock? What's the ticker? Feel it batters. You're talking about this pharmaceutical company? Let's see. All right, actually this is down. If this is the one you're talking about, this index. A lot of nasty stuff going on in this chart. We're looking for support. It's possibly found it right here. I think it's going to hit the 200 again. I'd buy at the 200 if I could and see if I get a bounce up. If you don't get a bounce up, these moving averages are all tangled together like this. You're going to get a lot of weird price action until it straightens itself out. Got you. I'm on it now. About weekly. Weekly says more down. Actually, weekly is showing me. I mean, it could be at support. Let's look and see. Let's try not to guess here. All right, Keith's starting to run out of batteries. All right, 786 bounced. This may be worth a buy to try it. There's better charts out there, in my opinion, like eBay or MoneyGram. Both of those are better buys than this is. This could be a good. This could be a good options buy too, based on the fact that you have a potential inverse head and shoulders. But I don't like it breaking through all these moving averages and doing what it's doing right now. It's a little spooky. Now monthly. I know not a lot of stock guys look at months because y'all want to get down into the micro and stuff, but hey man, I like long-term stuff, bro. I'm a long-term kind of guy. We caught support, came up, catching support. There's a chance this reverses, maybe at the beginning of the month. I just see a little bit more down. It's possible it stops here because it hit 786 like this. But I think there's more down in it. I think it's going to come down to S1, which is right here at the 200. That's not a coincidence. And then at the end of the week, which is the end of the month, we're going to shift pivots. And we're going to have new pivot support. So there's more of a chance for up at the beginning of the month. Let's see. All right. Gotta expect them rubber bands to pull back after days of late. Absolutely. Amir, yes, I do 2 streams a week, Tuesday night and Thursday night. Both of them are late night. Why? Because I have kids, man. They run this house. I don't run this place. These kids run this damn house. So they all go to bed. Girlfriend goes to bed. I can stream. Till then, I work and have 2 kids. Got no time to be streaming for y'all at 6 o'clock in the afternoon. Hey, man, I'm a real person. I ain't no damn celebrity or something like that. Just a guy. Just a regular dude like y'all. Let's see. Ideanomics. Interesting thing about stocks is there are just so many of them, dude. You could just go and do this for days. Ideanomics looks a lot like XRP, don't it? Whoo, boy. All right, let me zoom in on this a little bit here. Let's go. Buy spot. November 13th. Probably guess it'll be 8 a.m. I'm trying to put the times when the market opens or closes, just so it's like a more realistic expectation. But yeah, this one is, you're going to get a little bit more price action down here at some point because you got a golden cross, which is great. But you're going to have to get this yellow 50 moving average up through the 100. And when that happens, you're going to get a little bit of a pullback up here somewhere. It's free to keep going up if it wants, but it's a long way from that 8 EMA, okay? That's a long ass way. It may move sideways here. That's also an option. Super overbought on the daily. Weekly, monthly. It's been a long way down, hasn't it? Okay. Yeah, the chart has a lot of upside. It's got good risk versus reward. I like it. The risk doesn't outweigh the reward. We got an inverse head and shoulders right here. I correct my previous statement. This is a buy. I would hold this for a couple months if you need to. I don't care. But this looks good to me. I like this chart. Ideanomics. Looks like a buy to me and a hold. I'd like to see it get up to I don't know, $27, $17, $27, somewhere around in there. That may be a little unrealistic right now, but once it gets to this shit right here, bro, it's clear to go. You know, I mean, it's a good looking chart. Good looking chart. How far in the future do I go? I mean, I can go all the way as far as you want, but the predictions, that far out, get really sketchy. The monthly charts, 2-month charts, that's about as far as I go. 2-month chart, which is a massive chart. So let's see. Let's see. Atomic Wallet coin. That's Nick's favorite because he's staking that bitch. AWC. Well, still a buy, bro. I hadn't seen a sell sign yet. See that, Nick? It's a buy. Live stream. Bam. Some people ask me, why do I do this on these charts over and over and over again? Why? Because if you practice, you get perfect. It's not very hard. It's not that complicated, is it? I want you guys to do the same thing I'm doing because it works. It's simple. You write this stuff. You know, Mullet taught me this. You write this stuff on the chart, you won't forget it because it's still sitting on the fucking chart. So write it down, and then you have it there forever. It won't go away. I just added some low leverage trades to XRP. All right, be careful. And BCC, okay. What Chi-Town just said, subscribe and hit the notification bell. You'll never miss a stream. Also, if you're on here, hit the like button. 31 people watching, 24 likes. Everybody hits like. We got a more chance of getting to 1,000 subscribers. We'll get to 1,000 subs, then we can start giving away more stuff. Okay. Anyone who doesn't know, I gave 1,000 XRP away already one time. I'd like to do that again. That'd be cool. Let's see. Looks like it could be respecting that area of support. I agree. I agree. Don't forget to hit like too. Keith gives away. Oh, there you go. Keith gives away 100% of any money he makes off YouTube back. Exactly. That's completely correct. That's exactly what I do. Let's see an article today saying a lot of BTC Max is pouring into XRP. Yeah, I saw that, but if you look at the market cap, I think it's back and forth. Look at Nick shilling the shit out of me. Want a cool shirt and some shit? Check this out. So what we'll do is, we'll actually pull this up real quick so y'all can see. Let's do this. Bam. I'll pull this up real quick so you can see. I got cool shirts. Some stuff I just designed, which is pretty neat. There we go. I'm going to go to shop here. And we got 7 different designs. 8 now. I have 8 designs, or 7. This is one I just made right here, which is super cool. It's Dare to Keep Kids from FOMO and Hopium. Hopium and FOMO Resistance Education. I thought that was cool as shit when I saw it. So I made a shirt. I made a Dare shirt. Like, come on, guys. That's cool as shit. Like, I don't care what you say. I'm totally getting one of them. That's great. Oh, man. I made this on Photoshop the other day. Just thought it'd be funny. The most popular shirt, I believe, is this one. Just a regular old 786 Assassin shirt. Right? Nothing fancy. Andrew actually designed this logo. He's not in here right now. He's doing a little bit better. Talked to him today a good bit. But this is the original shirt. And I have a poster of this. And the original design, which is what I have on right now. This shirt is here. There you go. That's the exact same shirt I got on. There's also other stuff like laptop covers and tumblers, clocks, and whatever. Tits University, the 786 Mafia. This one is just a pocket shirt, like a pocket symbol. I put it up at the corner, like that. Up here. Just smaller, something different. You know what I'm saying? Pretty neat. Designed all this crap myself. Anyway. There you go. If you want to buy one. Again, all money gets given away. I don't keep any of it. Alright. Let's see. Ideanomics is an electric car company. Oh, that's cool. I mean, gold sells from 1864 target to 1750. Ooh, man, I don't know if gold's going down that far, bro. Let's look at gold real quick. Because I had gold going up. Didn't I? Maybe I didn't. I don't remember. Shit. Okay, yeah, blew through my other line. You said what was your number on gold? 1750 to 1530? Man, you know what? You're not wrong, bro. Okay, so yeah, we're going to get downward continuation. We might get a little bit of up right here when it bounces off the 200. It might hold this 200, so don't freak out if it holds the 200 right here. But if it don't get back up over this 8, it's going to follow that 8 right on down. I would be short right here too. I'm short until it breaks that 8. And I think you're right on the 1750 for sure. I like that call. Euro USD, absolutely. Everything versus the dollar went down, didn't it? Forex is actually where I got my start. So, no, it didn't. It stayed up. Appears to have caught support. Got an overall trend line, though. See that trend line? Big trend line. See if it can break that trend line, because I don't know. And look at here. Long $1.30, stop loss 128. Look how high that bitch went up. I forget when I even did that. But I did that during a live stream, I think. And it's been going since. That's awesome. I like it. Needs to break R3. If it can break R3, it's still over the 8. That's good. I mean, I don't see this coming down on the weekly yet. Daily is still over the R. Is still over the 8. I like the trend line. I like the trend line here. Yeah, maybe over here at 119 again. 119.6. That's another 600 pips. That's pretty good. We'll see. I don't see this as down. If it does come down, it won't be much. Let's dip down the 4 hour. 4 hour looks good. I wouldn't sell this. This is a buy in my opinion. That's a good buy. At work, 5 calls. Oh, thank you, yo mama. I appreciate you, bro. Testimony. I was able to send my mom $1,000 to help her with some bills from my gains last night. Thank you for all the help and group. You guys are awesome. Hey, bro, is that for real? If so, that's awesome, Daniel. Dude, that's cool as shit, bro. You really could do that? That's awesome. That's super good, dude. Nick, I didn't click your link because if I click your link, it'll cover up the wrong screen for me. I got 2 screens up here. I got one on the left, one on the right. It'll cover up the right one. I didn't want to cover it up. Let's see. That's awesome. Condoms are still in the design process. Oh my god, dude. It's a green candle that grows when you do. What the fuck? Oh my god, y'all are dumb. Check the gold Bitcoin chart. BTC gold. Whoa. My god. Bro, I don't like that chart. And then you could even go bigger than that and say head, shoulder, head, shoulder, and down. That's an ugly chart right there. About the ugliest I've seen today. Now look at the MACD pointing straight down. RSI's. You know what? This is something I'd be taking a risk on buying if it breaks to 8, because that RSI is buried in the ground. Okay, that's going to pop up over the 8 and be a buy. Whoa. Could be a good time to short PAX G. Assassins never pull out, dude. Oh, you're welcome, Sautry. Silver down 0.69 spot, 26. Oh, really? 690 pips? Yeah, because gold is too. I don't know if you saw gold. It was way down. Let's see. The chart looks like an ICO chart. What Moonrider just said, I never buy ICOs, initial coin offerings. I never buy them because they go up and they immediately drop, okay? And I think that's what's going to happen with the Spark thing too, by the way. You're going to get an initial push and the... Edward Dufresne, what's up? If you're worried about capital gains tax on crypto, imagine having kids. Couldn't say that better. Couldn't say that better. I'm trying to get like Daniel. What's up, Total Science? We have Coinbase, we don't really use it. You're very welcome, by the way. He says, look at XRP. It may be breaking back north. Possible. I'm not going to panic. It's all good. I'm so far in the profit right now. I haven't seen a single sell sign except on the 1 hour. 4 hour. Looks like we're at support. Okay. I like that. Holding R3. MACD looks ugly. Maybe it can swoop up again. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? You're going up here above 80 cent to 90 cent, bro. I'm going to pull some profits. And I'm going to smile about that shit. Boy, am I going to smile. I'd really, really like to pay my truck off. All right. That Bitcoin gold chart is saying people have leave gold to Bitcoin. Absolutely, Mr. Fib. I know exactly what you're trying to say. That's gnarly, isn't it? That's gnarly. That many people jumped out of gold and into Bitcoin. Oh, goodness. Yeah, absolutely, Daniel Warren. That is so fucking cool that you're able to take some gains and help a family member like that. Like, that's the whole reason I do this. It ain't for pissing contests. It's not for popularity. It's not to piss people off. It's not to be a dick. I don't go on other people's streams and talk shit anymore. I got accused of that. That is super not cool. Super not cool. My name on here is TA with Keith Lay. That is my YouTube account. That is my only YouTube account. I don't do that bullshit. Not cool with that at all. If people want my phone number, they can have my phone number. I'd be happy to talk to anybody who would like. And we can talk man to man. We don't have to do this back and forth text bullshit. Or with this avoiding each other bullshit. We can just be man and talk to each other. But I don't think that'll happen. I've been accused of being a bastard, which technically I am because my dad died in 2016. I have a tattoo on my shoulder for that. I got called a psycho. I got called bipolar. The interesting thing is the same person who called me bipolar was on a guy's stream who was clearly having some mental health issues that he worked through and got through perfectly fine. But I got accused of being that way, which is super weird, dude. This doesn't make much sense to me. My family does have a history of mental health illness. Ask my cousin, he'll tell you. I'm from Gastonia, bro. We're all crazy. But it's a good kind of crazy. I'm not bipolar. I'm a little bit of OCD, but I'm not bipolar. My mom, on the other hand, I'm a poor kid from the middle of nowhere with nothing, okay? You gotta hurt me pretty hard to hurt me. You ain't gonna hurt my feelings by calling me some names. I don't like it, but you're not gonna hurt my feelings. I'm a grown-ass man. You gotta do better than that. Oh, man. Red Bud, bro. Red Bud is what's up. All right, let's see. Anybody got any other coins I'm going to look at? Because it's about 1 a.m. I like to cut it off around 2 hours if I can. Zeal, 16%. Let's go. Come on, Zeal. Let's go. I got to get Vibe. I'm not going to wait anymore. Let's do this right now. What do you say? What do you say? Let's go this one. What is that one? No, I don't like that one. Red Phoenix, what are you doing? Hey, I can't sell that either. Gosh, everything looks too good to sell, man. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. I like the Vibes chart a lot. I'm not going to sit and talk about it. I'm going to be about it. You know what I mean? At a certain point, you just got to be about that life. You can't just talk shit. You got to do it. Everybody can talk, but who's got the balls to actually do it? You know what I mean? You're listening to them. I ain't never scared. This actually gives me an opportunity to get out of some of these coins that I'm in, that I've been in for a long time. Like Fetch. Fetch has an opportunity to go here. But I like Vibes chart better. So let's get out of this one. I'll move over into USDT. And then let's see if we can find Vibe. BTC pairs. So annoying. Come on. Interestingly enough, we've also noticed a lack of liquidity on Bitcoin as far as having to buys and sells on Binance. Just hadn't been there. Liquidity's been missing. Which is fairly interesting, isn't it? Okay. It's going to take a second. Don't have the greatest liquidity here. I get it. I got it. I'm good. Let's see. Hey, all right. That'll do it. All right, let's mark that on the chart where I bought it. I like to mark my charts. If I get wrecked on this, y'all saw it. I'm gonna fight Dustin barehanded, bare-fisted, bare knuckle, whatever. We're gonna fight to the death. Viking versus crazy Southern redneck. It'll be on. We'll do a pay-per-view. That'd be great. We'll do a pay-per-view. All right, we'll hang it and let's see what happens. Worst case, Ontario is a lose. What's new if that happens? Okay, let's see. All right. I need to set a VPN so I can't buy Vibe. Philip, if you'd like to talk about that off thing, I'd be happy to. My Telegram, yeah, I'll put my Telegram. My Telegram's right there in blue, right here. Carolina Keith _1. Message me there, and we can get you fixed up. Thanks for all the info. I'll check out Vibe tomorrow since it's looking solid on the charts. Be patient, buy into Stellar after a little decompression ride. Totally with you on that one, Israel. I really like Stellar. Zeal is what I expect XRP to follow and do. Yeah, the thing is, Zeal is actually way out in front of XRP, and I want to show that real quick. I got Zeal on the right. Let's put XRP on the left. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I don't know if you're aware of this, Amir, but I'll show you. And it's a really neat thing we figured out here. Go to the weekly. All right, so this fib set that I have right here is measured from June 19 to the bottom. Reason that we did June 19 is because we found a lot of other coins that moved from June 19. Now, as you see, we're just now getting to 1272 from June 19. Now over here on Zeal, move to it here. The June 19 here. Down. Fix that line right there. That looks a little rough. We got all the way to the one line and started hesitating and then now breaking the one line. We didn't get to this one line until last week. Zeal's been there since June. Since June, and made a whole nother head and shoulders right here. Inverse head and shoulders to move up. XRP was way down here when that happened. So, in terms of positioning on the chart, Zeal is out front. Now, price-wise, I don't care about price. It's about percentage, in my opinion. You know, Zeal actually still has roughly the same percent available as XRP does. So, it's really just a coin toss on which one you want to get in. I like Zeal, so I'm in it, and I'm going to stay in it now until I'm gonna ride this wave out. I really like the chart, and I think it's going to go a long way here. And that's one of my top buys. Let's see. Called bipolar by the guy who said he called it after making a stream saying it'll go up or down. Right, it's cool, Edward. Bro, it's all good. I could come on here and constantly say it could go up, it could go down. And then I could then say I'm right. I don't really care if I'm right or not. Have I made a lot of calls correct? Yes. But I also have a really solid group of guys helping me do it. Okay, it's not just me. We have a whole group of dudes throwing charts up non-stop. And I can't take all the credit for that. That's a super dick thing to do. Am I putting out a lot of charts and data? Yes, but I'm not the only one. It's a group effort. It's a group effort, bro. I don't do nothing on my own. I agree, Mr. Phibb. Hey, Moon Rider, I don't play around, bro. If I say it's a buy, it's a buy. Tell April I said she's welcome, Jeremy, and she can go to hell. And listen, I need that good stuff. When this is all said and done, we're going to be on that good stuff. We'll go to old dude's house and get it at the mailbox, because I'm about done working, bro. Let's see. 2 minutes till bullets close on XRP. I got some earlier. I'm in the Telegram group. Oh, you are, Philip. What's your name in the Telegram group, Philip? I'm trying to be patient. Thurman, I hear you, bro. Make sure to join the tap before hopping off. Your info in the groups for has put my ass off nice profits. Yep. Bro, I ain't slept normal since 2019. Well said. Do you have a Telegram group? Absolutely, Samir, I do. If you message me right there on that Carolina Keith _1 on Telegram on the corner, I can shoot you over to the group. It's limited space. If you don't participate, you gotta go. Dash. CHZ. Someone said CHC. Yeah, CHZ. CHZ. Let's look at that first. CHZ. As a matter of fact, so many charts get brought up in the group that I can't keep track of all of them. And I think Vibe was brought up and I just missed it. No matter what you do, you still can't catch them all. Like fucking Pokemon. And I can't stand Pokemon. So dumb. But then again, I'm a old guy. So whatever. 50 bounce. Weekly. Ugh. Hey. Same setup on CHZ. XRP crypto. Right there. Bam. Bam. We're coming up. I'll see you at 786. I'll see you up here. We got some shit right in here at the 50 line. Oh, bro. We're good. CHZ is going to do stuff. Let me see if I can find a bigger chart. CHZ looks like RSR before RSR did anything. Bro, this thing is going to go. Yeah, that's the same size chart. So I can get back over here on my other one. Okay. Yeah, I like Chili's here. That's a good looking chart. CHZ has a very good layout right here. And you'd be foolish not to at least try to get to the 786 on this one. At least to the 786. What's the percentage there? It's got to be a decent percent, right? Yeah, 50%. Bro, that's a solid trade right there. That's solid. That's solid. Alright. Fucking foam. Dash feels like it makes the boat. Let's look at Dash. Oh no, Dash hasn't missed nothing, bro. No. You're good on Dash. You got a really good setup right here. You're going to get a little bit of a pullback, but you're going to... Let's just erase that. You're going to get a little bit of a pullback, but you're good. See all these moving averages turning? That's great. That's great. I like that. That's great. See, look, we're getting this 50 cutting through, and we're getting a pullback up here at the same time. Once this 50 gets through, we're going to get another green up, and then you're going to get some consolidation over here, I bet, to the side. But this isn't done. This isn't done. I like Dash 2. That's a little bit far ahead for me to buy right now, but I like it. Philip Batters, you're in the group already? Let me look and see, bro. Let me look and see. Let me look and see. Fuck, alright. 150 messages. God dog, y'all. Y'all don't play, man. It's just madness. I don't got you in there, Philip. And message me again because I don't have you in there. Maybe it's a different group, Philip. Or is it? Oh, is it the Bullish Network group or the other group? We can figure it out. Let's see. Fucking phone. Dash feels like I missed a boat. That is not done. Same name. Link above. See if I shared the link to the group. Scroll up. Let's see. I sleep peacefully knowing my stop loss and take profit are in place. I'm like, damn right, bro. I stop loss everything. Just join Cryptologist. All right, bro. I'll put you in there. Just, wait till the stream's over here. I'd like to say your information is priceless key, but there is an S&P company with a group that like this, and it's $16,000 for a 1-year membership. You're twice as good as that. I don't know about all that, bro. There's no way that I'm paying $32,000 a year for some fucking stock market signals. There's no way on God's green earth. But thank you, bro. Like I tell everybody, I don't want your money, but when I see you in Cyprus, I'll take a shot. I'll take some drinks. That'd be nice. Total Science says send me the bill. Bullish Network. Okay, I got you, Philip. But we got a separate group on the other side that's just charts nonstop, 100%. It never stops. Yeah, there's another group, Philip. Just message me personally. I can add you to the second group. Let's see. All right, so any other charts before I get off here because it's past 1 a.m. and then I'm going to stop. And then we could do some more on Thursday. I had some stuff I wanted to talk about. We totally didn't get to any of that. We blew right through it. So, that's pretty awesome. Ugh. We blew right through everything. Which is crazy, bro. What the fuck? Bro. Hey, cryptologist, is that you with the Forex stuff right there? All those Forex trades? Bro. If so, god dog, flex on them, son. Bro, he flexed hard if that's... Yeah, yeah, okay, I have 200 messages on my phone right now, so that's going to take a minute. Alright, well, look, no more stuff. We'll stop here. I appreciate everybody showing up. Dude, we've not I've had this many viewers for this long before. Usually everybody starts to drop out. Amir, that's crazy good, dude. That's crazy good. You're killing it. I'm pretty sure you got a lot of overhead to put in, a lot of capital to put in. I don't. I'm a poor guy. But with that kind of capital, that's crazy, dude. I appreciate everybody showing up. Total Science, Philip, Frank, Nick, Samir, Amir, Satri, XRPT Crypto, Thurman, what's up, my guy, Philip, JMEG, Edward Dufresne, Israel, all these dudes that usually aren't here that are here tonight. I appreciate you. Chi-Town, all of you. If I forgot your name, I'm sorry. I'll name drop you next time. Don't worry. Jane, you didn't say nothing till now. What's up, Jane Doe? Glad to see you. Glad to see you. It's Snap On. If you're on here, Snap On's killing it, by the way. He gets a middle finger, bro. Alright, I'll see y'all on Thursday. We'll do it again. I got some stuff I want to go over on Thursday that we're going to have to iron out and talk about. Look, I knew Snap On was on over here. Damn it, I knew it. Oh, hell. I'm just messing with you, Steven. Alright, I'll see y'all on Thursday. We'll go over the stuff I wanted to talk about. Y'all be good, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.